The Forest, Kingdom of Hidden Life. Scene 1, Dawn of the Earth. Before cities were built, before humans took their first breath, the forest was already here, ancient, alive, and watching. It was the first home of life, where the earliest creatures learned to move, to feed, and to survive. As the first light of dawn touches the treetops, a soft golden glow spreads through the misty air. The forest awakens slowly, as though it is breathing after a long, silent night. The rivers carve their paths between the roots, and the soil pulses with the memory of millions of years. Storms rise and fall, but the forest stands, its strength coming not from the height of its trees, but from the unseen roots deep beneath the earth. This is the beginning of life. This is where the story of our planet truly begins. Scene 2, the Kingdom of Light and Shadow. With sunrise, the forest transforms. Sunbeams slice through the leaves, casting shimmering patterns on the ground below. Birds call from every direction. Each voice different, yet somehow part of the same magnificent symphony. Monkeys leap effortlessly from branch to branch, their playful screams echoing through the canopy. Below them, ants march in perfect order, carrying burdens far heavier than their small bodies suggest. The forest is not one world, it is many layers. High canopies where the light reigns, a middle world of leaves and vines, and a dark underworld that sunlight never reaches. Every layer has its own creatures, its own rules, its own battles. And together, they form a perfect balance. A masterpiece of nature's engineering. Scene 3, the struggle for survival. Yet beneath all this beauty lies a harsher truth. The forest is also a battlefield. In the African savanna, lions crouch low in the tall golden grass, their eyes glowing with ancient instinct. Ahead of them, a herd of gazelles stands tense, every muscle ready to flee. In a single explosive moment, the chase begins. The lion launches forward with terrifying power, and the gazelles run for their lives. It is a dance as old as time. One life must end so another may continue. But in the forest, nothing is wasted. From the lion's kill, hyenas feast, and scavenger birds pick the final remains, returning every piece of energy back to the earth. Life feeds on life, and the balance continues. Scene 4, when the sky weeps. Dark clouds gather above the canopy, casting a shadow across the forest floor. The wind shifts. The animals grow quiet. And then, the first drop of rain falls. Within minutes, the sky unleashes its full power. Rain pours through the leaves like a waterfall. The scent of wet earth rises. Fresh, pure, alive. Frogs leap from hidden pools. Birds take cover. And rivers swell with new life. Rain is not just water here. It is a renewal. A rebirth. A promise that life will continue, no matter how many storms come and go. Scene 5, the Elders of the Forest. In the heart of Africa, elephants move with slow, deliberate grace. They are the guardians of the forest. Giants with memories older than civilizations. Their matriarch leads the herd, guiding them to water, teaching the young how to survive the dry seasons, and remembering places unseen by human eyes. When an elder elephant dies, the herd gathers around it. They touch the body gently with their trunks, standing in silence, as though mourning an old friend. Nearby, gorillas cradle their young, protecting them from leopards and eagles. High above, eagles circle like kings of the sky, watching over a world that has been theirs for countless generations. Scene 6, Nightfall, where secrets awaken. When the sun slips behind the hills, the forest changes once more. Colors fade into darkness, and the night brings creatures that the day never sees. The lynx stalks silently, its paws making no sound on the soft ground. Owls spread their enormous wings and glide like shadows, their eyes glowing in the moonlight. In the deepest parts of the forest, tiny fungi emit a faint blue light, a mysterious glow known as bioluminescence. The ground twinkles like a sky full of stars. Night is not the end of the day here. It is a world of its own, filled with mystery, danger, beauty, and life. Scene 7, the hidden balance. The forest is not chaos. It is order. Every plant, every insect, every predator, plays a vital role in keeping the world alive. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Rivers store the water that feeds our lands. Animals spread seeds that grow into new forests. If one creature disappears, the balance shifts. And everything changes. Protecting the forest is not an option. It is a necessity. Scene 8, when humans hurt the earth. But humans, with all their knowledge, have forgotten the wisdom of the forest. We cut trees for cities, burn jungles for farms, and hunt animals for sport. The result? Floods, heat waves, extinctions, and the slow suffocation of our planet. A fallen tree is not just wood. It is a home, a shelter, a breath of life. Every destroyed forest is a wound upon the earth. Scene 9, the green hope. Yet the forest, even in pain, teaches us forgiveness. In the ashes of a burned land, tiny green shoots emerge. New trees rise, small but determined. Around the world, people are replanting, rebuilding, restoring what was lost. Every seed planted is a victory. Every tree saved is a promise. This is the battle for hope. And it is a battle we must win.